Well, usually I'm the bearer of good news to real estate agents. That's why you watch our lives here, just going over some of the recent news concerning what's happening with the real estate market. I don't think it's good. I think it's great. I think this is awesome news for you. I wanted to tell you a little bit about it. So, as I'm looking at all of the realtors leaving the business, as we're looking at all of the transactions starting to fall apart, you need to have direction or specific instruction on where you need to go with your real estate business. So, as I'm working here, if you're watching this live, it's 11 o'clock at night as I'm recording this. Looking through, I'm old, so I print the internet. I literally print the internet. Looking at NAR losing over 30,000 of their realtors. For the first time in over 10 years, the number of realtors is going down. Now, for you, do you consider that good or bad? Of course that's good, right? We need to clean out. How many of you would love to choose a half a dozen realtors from your area to leave the business? I was looking on CNBC literally today. I don't know why this printed sideways. Home buyers are canceling deals at the highest rate since the start of the pandemic. I know it's backwards because I'm using my rear-facing camera here. But this article here is showing what's going on in today's real estate market. And listen, with all of the builders that our agents are working with, I coach thousands of agents around the country, and I've got them working with a lot of these new construction builders now because all of their deals are falling apart. Keep in mind, they got these guys approved when it was 3% interest rates. Now they've been building this thing, and we're over 6% interest rates. The feds are promising to continue raising it. That is a big issue. So what I want to talk about is why this is such a big opportunity for you. This is not bad news, by the way. I'm not the bearer of bad news. This is good news for you if you're positioning yourself the right way. So those of you that have a lot of transactions in contract, as a lot of the agents that I coach here, we've been seeing what's happening. As an example, on the new construction side, the new construction companies are calling their buyers and saying, hey, we can get you in an adjustable rate mortgage where you would be 4, then 5, then 6. Right? So adjustable rate mortgages are coming back where they're trying to get them approved. So all of these factors that are coming into play, I believe that we have a closer pulse on the market than CNBC.com because I'm working with thousands of agents all over the country. So no matter where they're at, we can see what's actually going on in today's market. So excited to see the changes that are happening. The affordability is not where it was. Interest rates will, like the feds have promised, it'll go up at least the next 9 meetings. We don't know if that's going to be the case. We'll certainly know on Wednesday. But they've promised to continue raising rates. That is all good news for you because now discount brokers are going to disappear. It will matter who you list your house with, what agent you choose. It will matter what buyer's agent that you choose. And if you don't have something to differentiate yourself, you're going to find that that's going to be a big problem for you because the successful agents are going to win. The big are going to get bigger. The successful realtors will become more successful. But the people that were just picking up transactions from friends and family, and because the market was so hot, they were stumbling across deals, that's pretty much going to be a thing of the past. So you need to really think about, where am I going with my real estate business, and am I headed in the right direction? I just recorded a training here that we put on a website to kind of show agents, like, here's what you need to be doing moving forward. Here's how you generate business with free marketing, first of all, so you don't need to spend a bunch of money as an agent. You can utilize free marketing to start. And then what do we do for low-cost marketing as well? How do we position ourselves in today's market? The luxury business is really taken off. Many of you know I'm a published author in the luxury market, but I coach over 10,000 realtors specifically on the luxury approach because they are the least affected by economic changes. I will absolutely assure you the luxury market in your area, whatever that is, just double the median price range and above, whatever that area is, I'll promise you that they're not going to be concerned about gas prices. They're not concerned about hamburger as an extra $1 a pound right now. That is not their concern. Now, I know it's a major concern for a lot of people. I'm not discounting that at all. But if you're working with the affluent customers, you're going to find you will do much better. Same with new construction being a huge opportunity now. They weren't even willing to pay us a commission. Now they are. Move-up buyers still doing so well for us. You have to position yourself with the right approach. But look at all of this news. They're covering it like crazy. Like, just go to any news website and look at all the crap they're showing about the real estate market and the stock market and everything else. That's good news for us. That's great news for us. I want the business to be cleaned up a little bit. I mean, think about this. If you have, let's take NAR as an example. If their membership list keeps growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, and it does that for years, what do you think that does for quality? What do you think that does for service of the client themselves, the professionalism, the experience that some of these top producers have had? But everybody goes to get their real estate license because the market's so hot. Now it's getting cleaned up. Now we're not running into those issues, and those part-timers are going to disappear. This is a big opportunity for you. That's why I'm working harder than I ever have before. I mean, it's late at night. Here we are working and still doing lives. But as I read through these things, I know people hate, I literally print the internet. I hate reading on my computer. I'd rather print it and read it sitting in a chair. But reading through some of this stuff, man, I see nothing but opportunity. And a lot of these agents that are like, holy crap, I'm actually listing houses now. Holy crap, I can actually get my buyers in contract on unlisted or pre-market homes because I've shown them how to go out and find those properties. It's so easy to make money now that the market is starting to level up a little bit. So I want you to think about where you're going over the next couple of months. How are you going to revamp or pivot your real estate business to capitalize on these huge opportunities? You see it on the TV every single day. You see it on the news sites every single day. I want you to think about how you're going to capitalize on that. No matter where you're at, which, by the way, leave your city and state here in the comments. As many of you know, we do tons of referrals. I saw 7 over the weekend, but we do tons of referrals all over the United States. In the comments section, tell me if you sell real estate, tell me the city and state that you sell real estate, because we get lots and lots of referrals agent to agent. I think that will help you tremendously. If you are looking to grow your business, I want you to go to listmoresellers.com. Now, we don't just talk about listings. I'm going to show you buyer stuff on there as well. But go to www.listmoresellers.com. I have a new training on there. I'll be updating it again in about 2 weeks, but that's a new one on there that will help you out. listmoresellers.com. If you watch that video that's on there, that'll show you some stuff you can do to capitalize on what's happening today. You can start with $0 in marketing. You can start with, maybe a couple $100 in marketing to get your business headed in the right direction. But we can see the writing on the wall here. You can see what's happening. Somebody that qualified at 3% is not qualifying at 6%. We're going to 10. We are going to 10, according to the Fed's promises. We are going to 10. You need to understand how to adjust accordingly. How are you speaking to the people that are saying, I want to wait, the market's getting ready to crash? How are you speaking to them? Because you know that a home costs more. If the home right now is $500,000, make sure you're listening to this. If the home right now is $500,000, it will cost them a lot more at $470,000. It'll cost them even more if they wait till it's $450,000. It will cost them even more if they wait till it's $430,000. I did on our morning meeting. I got for our Inner Circle coaching members, I meet with them every single morning. I get on live at 10:45 and show them a little 10-minute tip on what they can do to grow their business. And I've outlined a home at $500,000. If it goes down to $450,000, that homeowner pays an extra $70,000 for that house. Why? Well, because interest rates are higher. Your monthly mortgage payment is higher on a $450,000 house at 7% than it is on a $500,000 house at 6%, right? So you buy when rates are low, not when prices are low. Do you know how to demonstrate that to your clients? You have to really think about how you're going to position yourself as a real estate agent to advise them on what's in their best interest when it comes to these market changes that are happening. We talk about that all the time in all of our Inner Circle coaching here. But regardless, I want to give you as much value as possible, speaking quickly and giving you as much as I can here. I really want to help you with positioning yourself the right way. So the market's changing. The fear factor is going up thanks to the news and Twitter and everything else. The fear factor is going up with the consumers right now. It will continue going up, particularly after Wednesday. It is going to continue going up. I think it's going to hit the fan on Wednesday, but we'll see. We'll see what happens when the report comes out for have we stopped inflation or not. I think we already know we haven't. But regardless, you have to position yourself the right way. I want to continue showing you how to do that. I meet with our coaching members, our Inner Circle coaching members, every single morning, Monday through Friday. We meet every morning for 10 minutes or so. Jump on if you can be on. If you can't, you go back into the member site and you watch the replays. Not a big deal, but I show you what to do to have extreme focus on growing your real estate business. Of course, we still do our group calls every other Thursday and, the extended trainings. But I think that spending 10, 15 minutes every morning to focus on something to actually build your business, that's the blinders you need to get focused on your business, right? We talk about all the time, agents talking about how overwhelmed they are. They don't even know what overwhelm is. Overwhelm means you're trying to do too much stuff. You got too many ideas. You got too many things. You got 7 windows open. You're halfway through this video. You're watching this video. You're reading this thing. You got to go check your email. That's what overwhelm is. It's a lack of direction and focus. That's what, you're not overwhelmed. You're doing too much crap doing it the wrong way. So if you get laser focused, if you can get the blinders on, you become massively successful in what you're doing. I need one thing to do today. Tell me exactly what to do so I can go out and make some money and get something in contract. Then tomorrow, give me one more thing to do. That's how you get rid of overwhelm. Overwhelm is a symptom of a bigger problem, which is a lack of direction and focus. So as this market changes, as you start to see all the noise on the news and everywhere else, you have to know how to speak to your clients, how to be an advisor in this cloud of information, and really lead them in the right direction. Okay, so I'd love to give you some more information on that. Again, what I want you to do, if you go right now, and by the way, if this kind of stuff is helpful for you, click the like button here, smash the blue thumbs up thing for me. That tells me, you know how Facebook algorithm works. That's how you get more free information showing that this is what you're interested in. If that is you, make sure you click the like button. I go live every single day. Now, granted, it is currently after 11 o'clock at night today that I'm going live, but I went live today to give you as much information as possible. But I want you to go to listmoresellers.com when you have about 40 minutes to really get yourself trained up and actually fix your business. That is how you fix your business. You go there, you follow what I've shown everybody else to do to grow their business, and you can experience the same kind of results. We meet every single morning, Monday through Friday. We meet every single morning with our morning meetings. If you are an Inner Circle coaching member, what do you got to lose? Like, grow your real estate business. Let's get you some closings. There's a lot of people leaving the business. NAR, for the first time since 2011, lost more members than they gained. Here's a conversation on it right here. I know it's backwards, but 30,000 realtors in the NAR membership gone. What's going on here? And then people are commenting underneath. Yes, I print the internet. I'm old. But that's what's happening right now, and I couldn't be more excited about it. I know you're the same way. Get yourself some deposit slips. Let's go make some money. Regardless, go out there and make some money. I got another couple hours of working here today. We got an awesome morning meeting tomorrow. I think you'll be very impressed by that, those of you that are members, and make it a profitable week for yourself. If there's anything I can do for you to help you out, you'll find that this is, I'm here to help you. You can, I was just reading through somebody's comments here. But anyway, send me a message, send me a direct message, email me, whatever. I'm here to help you in growing your business. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now.